Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rock collection is probably one of the most fascinating hobbies, offering a tangible connection to Earth's history. From sparkling crystals to ancient fossils, the world of rocks and minerals is incredibly diverse. In this video, we'll explore some of the most impressive rock collections available, helping you discover the perfect set to kickstart your geological journey or expand your existing trove. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes STEM Science Kit. Ready for an exciting adventure? Break open these rocks and reveal amazing crystals inside. This kit makes geology fun and is a great STEM activity for kids. Each geode holds a unique surprise. They are hand-selected to bring you the best variety of crystals. You never know what colors or formations you'll find. These are real specimens, ranging in size. Kids will love the thrill of cracking them open to see the natural beauty within. It's a fun and educational STEM activity. Learn all about how geodes are formed with the detailed, full-color learning guide. It makes science and learning fun, perfect for young explorers. This product is developed by Blue Marble, winner of the Toy of the Year award. They focus on education, imagination, and creativity, ensuring a great experience. What we like? This kit lets you discover hidden crystal treasures. It offers a variety of colorful geodes, ensuring an exciting unboxing experience. If you are looking for a fun and educational STEM activity, this is perfect for you. It's a great way to spark curiosity and learn about geology. What people say. The rocks were of good quality. The collection included a variety of rock types. The specimens were well labeled. Number 4. National Geographic Rock Collection Box for Kids. This is a perfect standalone kit or expansion to any rock collection. It includes over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the world. Crack open 2 premium geodes to reveal dazzling crystal interiors. This provides an unforgettable hands-on geology experience for kids. Learn to recognize amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and more with the help of the full-color learning guide and included magnifying glass. This will help you identify all the different rocks. This rock collection includes a variety of rocks such as amethyst, aventurine, and many more. It provides a diverse and exciting collection for any young geologist. Safely store your collection in the included storage bag and use the magnifying glass to examine your favorite specimens up close. It's a great way to show off your finds. Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's prestigious Toy of the Year award, proudly develops products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a U.S. support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like? This rock collection boasts a massive variety of rocks, minerals, and crystals from around the world. It includes geodes and crystals, offering a hands-on geology experience. If you are looking to expand your collection or start a new hobby, this kit provides a comprehensive and educational experience for all ages. What people say. The rocks are a nice size and shape. The collection includes a good variety of rocks. The rocks are well labeled. Number 3. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. This kit is perfect for sparking creativity in kids of all ages. It's a fun way to create unique art and spread positive messages. Kids will love the experience from the moment they open the box. It encourages creativity and artistic skills, offering a screen-free activity with many variations of decorative stones. This kit is a great gift for kids. It provides hours of fun with smooth stones, transfer sheets, and vibrant paints. It's also a fantastic activity for children's parties. This kit includes 12 rocks, brushes, paints, glitter glue, transfer sheets, googly eyes, and gems. It has more items than similar products, helping kids develop their artistic skills. All JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues with it, you're entitled to a full refund or a free replacement, no questions asked. What we like? This kit is designed to spark creativity with its rock painting supplies. It's a fun and educational activity that promotes artistic skills. If you like to create personalized gifts or enjoy arts and crafts, this kit is perfect for you, and you can rest assured with its lifetime warranty. What people say. The rocks are a nice size and shape. The rocks are beautiful and varied. The collection is a great way to start or add to a rock collection. Number 2. KomeStone K1 Rock Tumbler Kit. The KomeStone K1 Rock Tumbler has been recognized as the top choice by leading product reviewers. It's praised for its performance, safety, and overall value. This makes it a great gift for families and STEM-focused kids. You can enjoy peace of mind with our extended guarantee and warranty. If you need assistance, our US-based customer service is available to help with replacements or refunds. We offer 24/7 support to ensure you have a smooth experience. This rock tumbler is CPC certified and made from child-safe materials. It provides a fun and educational STEM learning experience that parents can trust. The design includes smooth edges and secure closures for safe operation. This tumbler transforms rough rocks into smooth gemstones through a 4-stage process. Kids will love watching the transformation, learning patience along the way. Adults can also enjoy using the polished stones for jewelry and crafts. The new upgrade includes an LCD screen, a 9-day timer, and 3 speed controls. The thickened rubber barrel improves durability and reduces noise. Custom polishing recipes help produce professional-level gemstones. The soft rubber barrel makes the operation 75% quieter. The large-capacity design polishes more rocks than standard barrels. It's ideal for families, classrooms, and serious hobbyists. The kit includes everything needed to start, such as rough rocks, polishing grits, and a guidebook. It's simple enough for any beginner to start tumbling independently. What we like. This rock tumbler is ranked number 1 by leading reviewers. It features advanced features like a digital timer and variable speeds. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient way to polish rocks, this is the perfect choice. It's great for both beginners and experienced rock enthusiasts. What people say. It comes with everything you need to get started, and the only thing you'll need to buy more of are the grits. The instructions were very clear and easy to follow, along with the equipment actually being easy, but seemingly good quality. The rocks came out smooth and perfect feeling. Number 1. National Geographic Rocks and Mineral Collection. Rock and mineral collecting is a popular hobby, and this kit is the perfect way to inspire a lasting love of geology. This geology kit will soon be your kid's most prized possession. This 15-piece collection features incredible rock and mineral specimens including desert rose, tiger's eye, and more. They are dazzling and beautiful. In addition to the rocks and minerals, you'll also receive a clear storage box and a storage pouch. A full-color learning guide allows kids to learn about each rock and mineral and easily identify each specimen. This collection of geological wonders will be thrilling for your kids. They'll be excited to show friends, family, and classmates these dazzling specimens, and will be eager to explore geology more. Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's prestigious Toy of the Year award, proudly develops products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This collection features 15 incredible rocks and minerals. It also includes a clear storage box and a learning guide. If you are looking for a gift that inspires a lasting hobby, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to spark a lifelong love of geology. What people say. The set comes with gems, a box, a little baggie for more, a booklet outlining different gems, my son loved looking through this, and a magnifying glass. Nice size specimens, looking forward to teaching the kids with this. Nice set for beginners learning about rocks and minerals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.